what exactly is blockchain? You probably heard it's the backbone of crypto, but how does it actually work, and why is it such a game changer for finance and beyond? In this video, we'll break down blockchain technology in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're just starting out in crypto. Let's get into it. At its core, blockchain is a digital ledger, a system for recording transactions that's secure, decentralized, and transparent. Imagine a spreadsheet shared across thousands of computers. Every time a new transaction happens, it gets added to the spreadsheet, and every version updates in real time. That's the basic idea of blockchain. But what makes it powerful is that no single person or entity controls it. Once data is recorded, it's very hard to change, making it resistant to fraud or tampering. Blockchain records data in blocks, and once a block is full, it links to the previous one, creating a chain. Each block contains a list of transactions, a timestamp, and a cryptographic hash of the previous block. This structure ensures that any change to one block would alter the entire chain, which makes tampering nearly impossible. Plus, because it's distributed across a network of nodes, the system doesn't rely on a central authority. It's all peer-to-peer, and that's what makes it decentralized. Blockchain is the foundation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it's also useful beyond crypto. It can power smart contracts that execute automatically, digital identities that are harder to forge, supply chains that are transparent from end to end, and voting systems that reduce fraud. In short, it's transforming how we think about trust, ownership, and verification. So, how do most people actually interact with blockchain technology? The truth is, you don't need to be a coder or a developer to use it. Every time someone sends crypto from a wallet, checks a transaction ID, or receives a digital asset, they're using blockchain. Platforms like wallets and crypto exchanges make this process seamless. They help users interact with the blockchain without needing to understand every technical detail. Whether you're sending Bitcoin, checking your Ethereum balance, or buying crypto from an exchange, what's happening behind the scenes is powered by blockchain. So, whether you're brand new to crypto or just looking to understand the tech behind it, blockchain is where it all begins. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and explore Coinmama for more beginner-friendly guides on crypto and blockchain.